How's it going, guys? Bainey here, and welcome to video 45 of how to generate an income online using Facebook ads. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some custom audiences so we can start building out our retargeting ads. I have shown you how to do custom audiences and that before, but I just thought it would be beneficial to touch on them again while we're in this process just to make it easier, so you don't have to go back and look at old videos and stuff like that. So before I get started, guys, if you're following along and you like the content I put out, hit that subscribe button for us. It really helps grow my channel and helps get this content out there to more people for free. And if you have any questions, just leave them below and I'll do my best to answer them. So let's jump into it. So what we want to do is we want to have our account. It's going to look something like this. And we want to come over here to the left-hand side. We want to find audiences. It might be up here if you're lucky, but most likely it's going to be down here. So this is a reasonably new account. So I might not even have any, I might not have many audiences set up. No, I've got a couple. Okay, so what we're going to do, our retargeting ads, I'm going to set up a hot retargeting ad for you guys. And what that is that's going to be anyone that's visited my website but hasn't bought yet. So I need to make a custom audience for people who have visited my website. And I also need to make a custom audience for people that have bought, because I need to exclude the people that have bought from my ad. So it might not make sense yet, but when I go into create the ad in the next video, you'll see why it makes sense. So we want to come over here to create the audience. Make sure your ad account's picked on the right hand side up here. So create audience, go to custom audience, and we want to go to website. Your source is website, which is the pixel. Select that, go next. Make sure your pixel's selected at the top here. And to keep it very simple, you could just leave it on all website visitors. Very, very basics. Or, there's heaps of different options here. We could pick all the different events, but to keep it very broad, I'm going to go all website visitors, then just name it. So I do CA for custom audience, all website visits, and then I do the date, which is the 7th of the 10th. So there we go, make the custom audience for all website visitors. Just leave that for now, it's down. And then we want to make the custom audience for purchases as well. So go back to website. So you want to make sure your pixel's picked again. On this event here, you want to scroll down to purchases, select purchases. So 180 days is the maximum you can do. Again, and just name it. Purchases with the date. Sometimes I write 180 days in there, but if I don't write the days in there, it means it's automatically 180. But if I was to go 30, I would put 30 days. So because it's blank, because I haven't done it, that's by default, it's 180. So create that audience. So now we've got those audiences created. I usually let it sit for 2 hours, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how to set up the ad using those two custom audiences so we can create our first retargeting ad. So stay tuned for that, guys, and if you're following along, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video with a friend. If you know they're running a Facebook ads, they might need some help, send them my videos, send them my channel. I'm sure they'll find my content valuable. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.